My name is Frank. I'm a technician here at Toyota.
My name is Kenny. I'm the expert tech Wondries Toyotas.
My name is Christopher. My title is Service Quality Specialist.
My name is Richard Chan. I'm a master tech.
My name is Sergio Gonzalez. I'm a tech here.
I've been with Wondries for 10 years now.
I've been in Wondries Toyota around 3 years.
In total, I've been here 20 years. I Wondries Toyota.
I'm here 20 years.
I've been here for 10 years.
I recommend you come here to get your car serviced due to the new facility. It's only a few years old. The amount of technicians we have, the amount of skilled technicians we have. We're all certified, so I recommend it.
I would recommend doing the Toyota work other than the outside the body shop because professional Toyota training, and also I'm here.
The reason we have the quality parts that your car needs, and we're gonna get the job done right the first time.
The reason why I will recommend Wondries Toyota because we're family here.
Definitely recommend it. Family and friends. We got all the best techs. We got the fastest techs here, and we got the best prices in town. Why not come in?